Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 8, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a strong buy candidate, receiving a score of 5.96. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Throughout this time, the stock has experienced a significant gain of 7.64%. This equates to an average daily return of 0.33% since it was labeled as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend's breakout level of $193.40. This could present a second opportunity for potential gains. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $210.39, which may not be easily surpassed in the first attempt. Looking at the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 11.52% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 0.522% to 10.20%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 32.49% change over the next year. This could yield a potential return between 17.28% and 46.18%. In other words, the stock price could range from $229.53 to $286.09 after 12 months. Our latest update on Apple brings exciting news. Apple stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of December 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a gain of 0.74%. It went up from $194.27 to $195.71. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.2%, ranging from a low of $193.67 to a high of $195.99. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 3.02% increase over the past 2 weeks. An additional 5 million shares were traded compared to the previous day, indicating a positive technical sign. Overall, approximately 50 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a total value of around $9.72 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. At present, the stock is trading 1.27% below its 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $2.51. Furthermore, it is 14.26% below the all-time high, which occurred on August 30, 2018. On that day, the stock price reached $228.26. Today, we'll be looking at the latest analyst ratings for Apple AAPL. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank gave Apple a sector weight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James also gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Just the day before, on Thursday, November 2, 2023, Evercore ISI gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, also on Thursday, November 2, 2023, Barclays gave Apple an equal weight grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Apple stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are also rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Apple's stock. The Apple stock has received positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $192.33 and $183.61. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be generated. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 17.27% increase in the stock so far. This suggests that the stock may continue to rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there have also been some negative signals, which may have an impact on the short-term development of the stock. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 31 days ago. Bollinger Bands displayed a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 24 days ago. Now let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average displayed a buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 12 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. When it comes to Apple's stock, there are some important factors to consider. Let's talk about support levels and the associated risks. Currently, there are 2 support levels just below today's stock price. The first support level is at $176.30, followed by $175.01. These levels indicate a point where there is a likelihood of increased buying activity, potentially preventing the stock from falling further. However, it's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may continue to decline towards the next support level. In this case, if the $176.30 support level is broken, the next support can be found at $175.01 and $174.21. Despite this risk, Apple tends to have controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the overall risk considered low for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, the stock's daily price range has been $2.32, or 1.2%. This shows that the stock's price fluctuations have been relatively moderate. Over the past week, the stock has, on average, experienced a daily volatility of 1.37%. Today, we'll be discussing some key trading levels for Apple. But before we jump into that, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is essential as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often seen in businesses with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple's fourth quarter of 2023 is expected on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.08. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there is no significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could potentially make a swift upward move. If you decide to enter a position, it would be wise to monitor the volume and use it as a determinant for when to exit. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $176.30. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as we could anticipate a rebound from there. The consensus rating for Apple, based on multiple analyst sources, is strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris sold 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris sold 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -22.994. In total, insiders purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $188.51, which represents a decrease of 3.68%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in reduced risk for investors. Additionally, a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom that occurred 30 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple stock has shown several positive signals and has recently broken a strong rising trend. With its current technical shape, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and expect further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has upgraded this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, December 11th, we anticipate Apple to open down by $0.587 at a starting price of $195.12. Before we dive into the content, it's essential to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to share our current view on this stock. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. We're also curious to hear what your target is for this stock. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We hope you find success in your trading ventures and have a wonderful day. From all of us here at Stock Invest, best regards.